Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all how I prep my natural hair for a protective style. So I am going to be getting braids. Today is Friday, November 17th, and I'm going to be getting braids tomorrow, November 18th. So I just kind of wanted to show you all how I prep my natural hair for a protective style. I usually like to prepare my hair as close as possible to when I'm getting my hair done, just so it is more fresh. I wanted to do more of like a natural hair wash day routine, but I don't really like washing my hair in the shower like that. As you can see, I do have type 4 natural hair. My hair has been in the wash and go, and I just put it in a puff. It's been like this for about a week or so. And yeah, I am going to be just prepping it. I'm going to be washing it. I am going to do a protein treatment. And of course, I'm going to deep condition. And then I'm going to show you all how I stretch my hair. I want to show you guys the pre-shampoo that I'm going to be using. This African Pride. I love this pre-shampoo so much. But this helps my hair so much when it comes to getting tangles out and detangling it before I wash it, so that I don't have as much shed hair or tangles, and it just makes the process a lot easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections, and we are going to get started with pre-shampooing my hair. Okay, so I have my hair in 4 sections. It's not perfect, but it will do. My hair is like super dirty, full of gel and just product buildup and everything. But yeah, I have my hair in these 4 sections. I don't have it parted off evenly or anything. So I'm just gonna take my Mr. spray bottle, and I'm gonna divide each section into smaller sections just to work the product through a little bit more. So we are going to start on this section here. And my hair is obviously very shrunken up. So I'm gonna divide this in half. And I'm being gentle not to break my hair. We're going to clip that out the way. And I am going to take, usually you can apply the pre-poo right on dry hair, but I like to spray a little bit of water just so it's a little bit damp and work, you know, just a little better. I'm going to take about this much here and start like at the ends. And I don't have any snagging or anything, but this is what my hair is looking like. I am going to put a little bit more on this section. But once that is detangled, and I didn't use any combs or brushes. Sometimes I will, but I'm trying to make sure I don't have or don't get as much breakage as possible. But once that is detangled, I am going to twist that up. Just put it in a chunky twist. So I am all done pre-pouring my hair. I have about 8 twists in my head, 2 for each section. So this is what my hair looks like. So of course I am gonna go and shampoo my hair, shampoo and deep condition. But like I said, I need to do a protein treatment, so I'm gonna be using this the Main Choice Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover shampoo. So I'm gonna be using this. I actually got this on sale from the beauty supply. I guess originally it was $12.99. I got this for $5. And I also got the deep conditioner on sale for $6. It was originally $16. So I'm going to be using these 2 products, but I'm going to do the protein treatment on my hair before I deep condition it. And for my protein treatment, I'm going to be using the Alpha G 2-step protein treatment. I don't have the follow-up conditioner that you use after this, so that's why I'm going to be using my own deep conditioner. So I'm going to be shampooing, protein treatment, and then the deep condition. Okay, so I washed my hair, and my hair does not have any more shampoo in it, hopefully. I didn't condition or anything like that. I shampooed, and that's about it. So now it's time to go in with my Alpha G 2-step protein treatment. I don't really like using this protein treatment. I tried to find like maybe a clean, unused, empty spray bottle I might have had around here. I don't have one. This stuff is messy, and I feel like it'll be a little less messy if I had a spray bottle. And whenever you are putting a protein treatment on your hair, such as this one, you cannot like comb or brush your hair. You cannot rake your hair or anything like that. Like, it has to be undisturbed. So I might do this off camera and come back whenever I have all of this applied into my hair and show y'all the process of me drying it until it gets really hard. This stuff also gets really sticky on your hands too. Okay, so I have all of the protein treatment in my hair. So here is what my hair is looking like. And after putting this treatment in, you are supposed to sit under a hooded dryer, I believe. Mine is at my mom's house. My dryer is at my mom's house, so I'm going to be using a blow dryer. But I'm going to be using my diffuser attachment. This is the Infinity Pro by Conair. And then this is the diffuser attachment. I believe I got this from Walmart. Not really sure, but I think that's where it came from. So I'm just going to put the attachment on and just kind of diffuse my hair, because you cannot disrupt your hair while this treatment is in. So I'm just going to do this until it is really, really hardened. And then I'm going to wash this out and do my deep condition. Okay, so This is what my hair looks like after I put the protein treatment in it and I diffused it with my blow dryer. My hair is, of course, really shrunken up. It is hard and stiff, so I'm trying to see if I should blow dry it a little more. Some areas are harder than other areas of my head, but I think that's fine. I am about to go ahead and wash it out. So I have all of the deep conditioner in my hair, and I'm just gonna take these clips out. I did manage to get all of the deep conditioner to work for my entire head. So I'm just gonna take my grocery bag. So I'm gonna let my hair deep condition. I am going to let this sit for, I don't know, maybe half an hour to an hour. I will be back when I have all the deep conditioner washed out, and we will start with the blow dry process. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. And whenever I blow dry my hair, I like to use my Revlon dryer. This is like a hairbrush dryer. It gets my hair really straight, and it's easy to work with. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I got this from Target. I'm gonna be using this African Pride Olive Miracle anti-breakage formula. This is a weightless heat protection and shine mist. So I'm gonna be using this. I'm not putting any leave-in conditioner in my hair, just because I want my hair to have as little product in it when I get my hair braided. So I'm gonna be taking it out of each section. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. I'm not gonna put too much because I don't think that much heat protector is necessary. Okay, I just wanted to come back and show you all, like, I don't think my hair has ever been like this straight from blow drying it. Keep in mind, I use the same exact blow dry every time that I stretch my hair. I don't know. Like, I don't know if it's because of the heat protector, because I don't always use a heat protector, I ain't even gonna lie, or from me doing a protein treatment. I don't know, but my hair just looks and feels so freaking good. I don't remember when my last trim was. Today is November now. I feel like my trim was probably at the end of September, maybe. I think it was like at the end of September, if I'm not mistaken. And then when I get my braids taken out, I'm gonna get another trim, and I do another protein treatment after taking my braids down, because whenever I wear braids or any protective style, I try to keep them in for like 2 months. So whenever I do take the braids down, it'll be like January. So I am done blowing out my hair. So this is what it's looking like. It feels really good. It does have some shine to it. It feels real soft too and manageable. But yeah, that is pretty much how I, you know, prep my hair for protective styles, braids, twists, just any type of protective style that you're going to be wearing for a good minute. I like to wear my braids in for about 2 months. So if you are someone who is going to be getting a protective style soon, hopefully this video helped you all on what you should do, the steps that you should do as far as like your natural hair to make it more manageable. Make sure to just comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.